Welcome to the Griddle Guys. We have some gifts here from one of our subscribers. Rob, you rock. Sorry it took so long to get to this, but we're gonna get to it right now. We're gonna open it up, see what you sent us, and then hopefully cook a little something on, we're gonna have a pick of what to cook on.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, the cook's gonna be simple, just gonna be a side.
Yep.
Cook side with the feta asparagus salad.
Perfect.
So Rob has been great with sending us stuff. He already sent me a 3-burner camp stove that I honestly use more than I use my stove in the kitchen now. And what I have to say—
He's not lying about that.
I really am not lying about that. Rob, thank you so much. I use it in the summer, I use it in the winter. But, you know, you hear Hussey talk about good groceries, so I think we got good gifts here. Yeah. Good gifts. So, Hussey, eat your heart out because there's some nice stuff. We're gonna get this unpacked and get it set up. Not sure what this is. We'll know when we unfold it. After Chris is done destroying the boxes.
Yeah, we're not keeping the box. We're not now.
I can't believe those were reused boxes that were reshipped.
This is 2 boxes.
And they made it.
One.
Yeah, it's 2 boxes.
Okay.
Oh, look at this.
I call the next one.
I don't know what that is, but that's pretty interesting. That's a different tool we don't have.
Nice.
And it's brand new.
See a nice griddle plate here?
A wind thing here, I'm guessing?
Look at that.
He told us this stuff was used, at least all
No,
of
this is definitely not used.
This is brand new.
This is brand new. This is a Griddle Guys Christmas compliment to Rob.
All right.
Thank you, Rob. Yeah, this is the same one I have. This is what he sent me. This thing is awesome. Whomever's house this ends up at, you're gonna be very appreciative. Dude, I'm telling you, I know, Chris, you don't want, you had said in the past, like, you didn't want this. I use this more than I use my stove. I really do.
That's in really nice shape.
Yeah, he said this is old.
Dude, not only that,
He
but
made it seem like, yeah.
these burners put out a ridiculous amount of heat. They really do.
Yeah.
Like, if you're talking about making ziti or something and you have to boil 2 gallons of water, you're never gonna boil it as fast as on this.
Yeah.
Like, they're sick. Rob, thank you again.
Sweet.
Yeah, rocking the camp shit.
Another one too. What's that one for?
No,
Another
must
wind
be for
blocker?
the other one. He sent us 2 versions of this. One of them is the more permanent version. It's not the box. That's a different one, but still, open it up.
This is still packed.
You can have that one, Jeff. You called it.
This is brand new.
Yeah, he called it.
No, it's not.
It looks, dude, let's look at the packing.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
All right, I call this one.
This is obviously the one that he told me that I needed to get. What?
All right, so this is like my style. The legs
that's
here,
what he
they
said.
attach
Yeah.
to the bottom. Lay it down.
What?
Brand new.
This is why he kept asking us if we opened the box.
So,
And he made it clear. Oh, it's not what's on the box. It's not what's on. Nice, Rob. Nice.
so Jeff, you called the used one. I guess Chris gets the new one.
Yeah.
This is gonna have to be pulled out.
That's brand new, dude.
Sorry, Chris. I put you on the wrong one.
So you think this one goes
Oh.
on here?
This one's used.
Not really.
It doesn't look like.
Yeah, used once.
Barely
Yeah,
used.
like warmed up. I don't know.
So I already have one of these. Compliments of Rob, and like I said, I love it. Absolutely love it.
Nice.
Chris, I know you were opposed, so like not opposed, but you're like, I don't really think I'll use it. You're gonna use it 1,000 times more than you think you'll use it.
Yeah, no doubt.
The nice thing for me is I don't have to wipe down my cooktop every time I'm in the kitchen. How many Griddle Guys does it take to get it out of the package?
This thing is a.
You need help?
Barbecue grill box, deluxe.
Oh, there's something in there. This is really nice.
Oh yeah, man, that's heavy duty.
Yeah.
Camp Chef, nice product.
Solid, right?
Yes, very solid.
Yeah.
This actually makes me, whomever's house this ends up at, I know it's not mine because I already have one,
We'll go over.
but this is gonna be great for steak tips. Marinated steak tips, gonna be awesome on that.
And I don't have a grill at my house.
Neither do I. I don't have a grill either.
At all. Jeff has a $5,000 Weber upstairs.
15, 17, $25,000, whatever it is, it's.
Oh, nice griddle plate.
Double-sided.
So are you guys gonna fight over who gets which one of these units?
Well, it just seems like the new griddle plate should go with the new
You're gonna have to watch our videos to see which one, whose house it ends up at.
This I want at my house. I would love to have that at my house.
You know how Kathy has been saying, buy another grill. I just want to have a burger once in a while.
She never said that. You're just making that up.
Yeah, I just made it up now, right off the cuff.
I know.
Pretty good. And a little griddle, flat top griddle.
It's a Griddle Guy Christmas. Thank you, Rob.
Where'd that knife go?
Yeah, dude, this is sick.
Where'd that come
Look at
from?
this. It was another box.
Rob, you really overdid it, man.
Yeah,
Thank you
Rob,
so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Well,
So we lied. This is not going to be another cook video because now it just looks like fun.
this looks like a hell of a lot of fun.
This is a griddle.
I was going to do griddled asparagus, but now I'm wondering if I should do grilled.
I would do it right on this and see how that tastes. That is nice. Both of these are gorgeous setups. So, yes.
You rock, Rob. Thank
Chris.
you so much, my man.
Jeff, what's going to whose house is what I want to know. What's coming to my house?
We'll talk about
You
that
got the
after.
first one.
I did get the first one, and I love the
You've
first
already
one.
had more than a year use of it.
Yes.
We'll talk off camera, guys. We don't want. Anyways, so
We'll arm wrestle.
we're gonna get these. We're gonna get them cleaned up. We're gonna get them fired up, and then we'll just do a quick little cook, see how they work.
Absolutely.
Very nice.
Rob, you rock. Thank you.
I can't believe Jeff took so long for us to open these.
So we got this all set up.
We're losing Nate, Jeff. Hurry up.
Brand new setup. All right, so I'm just gonna give this a quick cleaning and then we're gonna do a quick cook. Try it out.
Promises, promises.
So I get some soapy water, and as you can see, this is already building up quite a bit of steam. And after we're done cleaning this, I'm gonna take this off and show you the insane flame that Nate was telling me about that I didn't really think was possible
Impressive flame right
for
now.
a non-commercial
These things
product.
put out a tremendous amount of heat. Tremendous amount of heat. Jeff has no trash. That's why I use this so often, because if you're searing something, you're browning something, or you're trying to boil water, like you do it in your kitchen, it doesn't compare to this, because this puts out so many BTUs that it's half the time and twice the sear.
Doesn't matter how cold it is outside.
It does not. The main concern is even on low, when you put these burners on low,
Yeah.
that's like your typical stove burner on medium high.
Right.
So I love it. I absolutely love it. Rob, can't say thank you enough, but like literally, I have not cleaned I used to clean my stovetop every 2 days because every time you put something in a frying pan, it just gets the oil all over everything. Now I just walk outside and I use this. We're gonna fast forward through the 25 minutes of Jeff cleaning this quietly.
Definitely get warm.
We could have used this already in a few videos.
I know.
Tater tots, right? Tater tots.
I love this thing. This is great.
So that's going to your house, is that what I'm hearing?
We're discussing it.
So
We're discussing it.
what's really nice about this, and I noticed this kind of right out of the gate, is that this has got Camp Chef's pre-seasoned top on it.
Right.
Yeah, the
Exactly.
pre-seasoned is very
So
convenient.
you literally just have to clean it, and that's it, out of the box, and now we're good to go. Which saves us a lot of time in this video, huh guys? Huh?
Well time.
Just 2 rinses, and then we are good. Off to the cook.
We did have a slight issue, but we're gonna get that fixed.
Yep,
That was just probably happened in shipping.
definitely got that covered. I mean, if we vote that I take it, I'm just, you know. Otherwise, I'm sure you can find a local Camp
I
Chef
know
person
Rob
that
was
can-
Rob was very clear about you getting this. And I think Rob's wording was, and whatever's left, Chris can have.
Pretty sure he did say that,
I'm
yeah.
pretty sure. Thank you, Rob. Much appreciated.
But it still works, and if you can hear that, it's an insane flame.
Jet engine.
This is similar, very similar to my jet burner.
And we should tell our subscribers the reason why Rob he bought brand new the same things, I believe.
Yeah.
Didn't he replace it with a 4-burner maybe?
Something.
Something like
I-
that?
All I know is he has the biggest griddle I've ever
Yeah.
seen ever.
It's impressive.
All right, well this is ready to go.
All right, let's cook.
Let's get to the cook. All right, so for the cook, now I feel like the cook's not that important. But anyways, for the cook, we're gonna make a feta asparagus salad. Delicious. And the way we're gonna do that is we're just gonna make a marinade with our zipper quicker, or zip quicker. And with that, we have roughly 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, about 2 garlic cloves minced up, and 2 tablespoons parsley. To that, we're gonna do a little salt, a little pepper, and that right there is our dressing. For the asparagus, we have 1 bunch of asparagus. We're going to cut into bite-sized pieces, about 1.5 inches. And then I'm gonna cut the ends off.
Probably should have done that first, Jeff.
Probably should have done that first. I wasn't really thinking this through. All right, so anyways. All right, so you cut the asparagus into bite-sized pieces. You cut the ends off first. Saves you a little bit of time. This is the dressing for after we take them off the griddle. So right now, we are going to just...
Oh, I get it. So the bag of dressing is for after the fact.
Yes, the dressing is for after the fact.
Oh, wow, all right. Hey, geez, sorry. Sorry I asked the question.
So I have some leftover bacon from another, actually from breakfast last week. I made some candy bacon a couple weeks back. That came out really good, so I bought another piece of that bacon. It wasn't as salty the second time, so that was nice. But so I'm just gonna cube this up. And what better way to season the griddle
than with bacon?
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Gonna cube that.
You want me to throw this on, throw the burner on low, Jeff? Or?
Sure, sure.
What's with the 2 chainsaws in the back?
They both broke.
Both?
Yeah.
They both yours?
Yeah. How do you not have 2 chainsaws? What if one breaks?
Apparently it doesn't matter because they both break.
Well, when you use them to literally cut up your shed into pieces,
Okay.
it's not really what they're intended for, but they work.
I think the first problem is they're not steels, or are they?
No, they are not steels, and that's why I have 2, because I could afford 2, because they're not steels.
Yeah. What do you think? You better off buying 1 steel next time?
Those are fighting words right there.
Yeah, I stand behind my steels. I think Nate does too.
Yeah.
Yes, I love my steel chainsaw.
All right, so we got a little bit of bacon here. That's starting to warm up, so we can throw this on.
It's not starting to warm up yet.
All right. So we got the pancetta on, our bacon pieces. We'll give that a few minutes to heat up before we throw on the asparagus and go from there. We got the pancetta going, or the bacon chunks. They got some nice color. So now we're just gonna cook this.
Crispy, crunchy, is that what you're looking for?
Just a couple minutes, just to soften it.
And how would you say the performance of the stove with the griddle on it is?
This thing is pretty trick. Like, just the fact that you have the versatility, and I can't wait to take this camping because it's gonna be mine.
Not Chris's?
Not Chris's. You know, this is really, really nice. And the fact that you can turn the flame up to ridiculous heat, like that, get this going. Yeah, that's going good.
All
right.
You think you're getting as much as like your side burner you put on the camp, Jeff?
Yes, except
Yeah?
this seems a little safer because it's contained and
Yeah.
not right next to my house right now.
Yeah.
Anyway, so this is it. Once we get this all done, we're gonna put it in a bag and we're gonna submerge it in ice water because we want it to cool down and stop the cooking.
So it stays crisp?
So it stays crisp. And that's what I have this for. And we'll give this another couple seconds.
This actually seems rather delicious.
How can you go wrong with bacon,
And asparagus.
I might make
Right.
this on Thanksgiving Day.
This could actually be a very good,
good
meal.
side.
Yeah,
That's a good side. And you don't have to warm it up. You serve it cold or hot?
cold.
Yeah.
I like that.
All right, so this has been, what do you guys say, like 3 minutes?
Yep.
Yeah, 3-4 minutes.
3-4 minutes. Actually, you know what? I can just put it right into the dressing. So I got my zip clicker that I always talk about.
Link in the description.
Link in the description.
Make a great Christmas gift.
It's a nice color.
Christmas gift.
Oh, wait a second.
Yeah, use the shovel.
There you go. Let's try the shovel.
Yeah, check your talent on this, Jeff. Shovel's bigger than the bag.
Give it a quick rinse.
That's pretty good. I like that.
It's a
Look at
time
that.
saver.
Well, are you going to be able to get it in the bag now is the question.
Oh, yeah. Notice I'm pouring away from the camera.
Oh,
All right.
Oh, you got most of it in the bag.
not bad.
Dude, that shovel is going to be key for tater tots and
Fries. Tater tots.
Yeah.
Do you want to turn the heat down low on this? Because
What I want to do is get this into the ice bath as quickly as possible.
all right.
And now we have this in the ice bath.
Like I always say, 6 hands are better than 2.
Yep. So now we're just gonna cool this and chill it
So what's the reason for the ice bath? Did you already say that?
to stop the cooking.
He doesn't want it squishy. He wants
Okay, you want to keep it a little...
crisp tender.
Yep. All right, so we'll give that a couple seconds, maybe a minute or 2 in the ice bath. We'll put it in the bowl, we'll add the feta, we're almost there. All right, so we chilled the asparagus in the dressing. That. Yeah, I mean, this just looks pretty.
Yeah, it does.
Take feta, and this is 1 small container for 1. You can go with less, you can go with more.
You doing the whole container?
I'm gonna do probably 3/4.
Wow.
That looks delish.
So
Can I come in and grab a plate?
no, we're gonna do a taste testing after.
That was some strong defense. That really
You
was.
just blew your mic out.
Sorry if that was. I'm sorry if that was loud.
You guys see
Fighting
that?
these guys the whole time.
Sorry, Dad.
Yeah, right? Chris, if I hip check him and you throw him down on the ground, maybe I'll get a bite.
All right,
When did you learn to talk like that? I learned it from you, Dad.
that is what we would call 3, 2, 1.
Done. But we can't taste it.
Trust me, it's delicious. Thanks again, guys. Like, subscribe. Rob, love this.
Oh,
stuff.
Rob, thank you so much.
Absolutely
This is
love
awesome
this stuff.
gift.
This is
awesome
absolutely incredible, and we're gonna get many, many years out of this. And
Absolutely.
you definitely lied to us a bit. This is not the beat up used stuff you were talking about.
Right.
Clearly, this stuff is awesome.
You rock. Thank you so
And
much.
I use it a whole boatload.
So, thanks again. Like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully the holidays and everything went great for you.
Cheers.
See you in the next video.
That's very tasty.
Almost al dente. You didn't cook it too long at all.
The bacon. So, I let Nate try it. I just wanted to officially apologize for giving him the dad voice. Swatting him away.
And the body block.
I'm just glad it was a you and not me.
But, it's chilled, it's delicious, a little salty, a little sweet,
That's great.
and that's it.
Very
That's it.
tasty. Good dressing.
Yeah.
And it was pretty simple, right?
Well, what's nice is you don't have to heat it up on Thanksgiving.
No. No, this
Just
could
put it out.
be a nice side. Anyways, all right. Thanks, guys.